Hi, my name's Jennie Wilson, and I'm the founder of the Abram Wilson Foundation. I'm just here to let you know about our second series of Future Sound Digital. We released the first video of 10 on the 25th of August 2021. We're releasing a video a day for 10 days. We've got 10 videos in total. The artists involved are Oscar Jerome, Sans Soucis, and Arji Manuelpillai. We worked with them before. They did our first series. They're doing a follow-up series. Each of their videos is roughly about 5 minutes, so it's pretty quick, easy to access. You can access it on your phone, with Wi-Fi, without Wi-Fi, on your laptop if you have one, at school, at home, wherever you want, really. And yeah, so like each artist is doing 3 to 4 videos, 5 minutes each. Oscar's is on using the free software BandLab, which is available online, and he's basically talking you through how to use that to write your own song. Sans Soucis she is kind of doing some videos on the creative process and how to take an initial idea and turn that into something real. And Arji, lovely Arji, is doing kind of all things lyrical. So if you're interested in writing lyrics, these are definitely the videos for you. So he's just really showing how you can kind of take inspiration from anywhere in order to kind of come up with lyrics for songs, for raps, whatever you like. So that's kind of taking inspiration from your emotions, your experiences, your backgrounds, your heritage, your surroundings, using lists. He really covers like a whole range. So yeah, anyone who's kind of feeling a little bit stuck and would love to kind of like write but isn't quite sure where to start, that's a really good one. But of course they're all good, you know, if you want to write your own song, if you want to kind of like understand, for example, how to yeah, like take your initial idea and turn that into something real. That's, you know, Sans Soucis is amazing, and Oscar's is like, you know, great if you're a musician and you want to start writing your own song and, you know, can't afford software like GarageBand or trying to remember what the other one is now, can't think off the top of my head. But yeah, BandLab is totally free and it's a really great place to start if you're interested in songwriting. So yeah, I hope that's like a helpful introduction. Please do check out the videos. Please leave comments in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to hear how you get on. Yeah, so please keep in touch. And yeah, enjoy the videos, and yeah, if you want to kind of look back on the previous ones, please do that as well. There's some great ones that we released about a year ago, last autumn. Can't believe that's a year ago, in 2020. So yeah, thanks so much for checking this out, and yeah, enjoy the videos.